young people or young generation will be incredibly impacted by this pandemic. The employment rate, whether it's 59%, as the National Youth Council have highlighted, there's two figures there being thrown out. There's also a 30% COVID adjusted figure. Either way, the important thing here is that young people are experiencing mass unemployment. Sure. Has to come back again. I mentioned hospitality earlier in the show. Hospitality was such a huge employer of young people, and the sooner that we can get hospitality up and running again, then we can see those figures drop. And the issue is incredibly important, and you know, it needed to be raised and it needs to be discussed. But we need to put measures in place. You're absolutely right. We heard the Taoiseach talk about apprenticeships. We're talking about 10,000 apprenticeship places per year by 2025. That's going to be incredibly important. You know, people need to get back to in-person learning in third level education. That's been incredibly tough. I can't imagine what it must be like for someone in their early 20s who you know, is attending university and has had almost no in-person education this year. So the sooner that we can return to that, the better. Within our parliamentary party, members of the Seanad and the Parliament and the TDs, we are setting up a youth strategy group where we're liaising with members of young members of our party, young councillors, and young people in general. We've put out a survey asking them what their concerns are in relation to how Ireland is at the moment and the direction that we're taking. So we realise that we cannot leave young people behind here. We have to act. We have to put in place policies that ensure secure employment for them into the future. And it's all about conversation and engagement.